Chainsaw Man Chapter 181 Release Date and Time. According to the official Shueisha Manga Plus website, the next much-anticipated chapter will be released on Wednesday, October 23rd. The chapter will be uploaded at midnight, JST, which will result in October 22nd for the international fans. The exact time of the release will differ based on the viewer's residential country. However, international fans can utilize the following table to catch the episode in time. Time zone. Local date and time. Pacific Daylight Time. 8 a.m., Tuesday, October 22nd, 2024. Eastern Daylight Time. 11 a.m., Tuesday, October 22nd, 2024. British Summer Time. 4 p.m., Tuesday, October 22nd, 2024. Central European Summer Time. 5 p.m., Tuesday, October 22nd, 2024. Indian Standard Time. 8:30 p.m., Tuesday, October 22nd, 2024. Philippine Standard Time. 11 p.m., Tuesday, October 22nd, 2024. Japanese Standard Time. 12 a.m., Wednesday, October 23rd, 2024. Australia Central Standard Time. 12:30 a.m., Wednesday, October 23rd, 2024.